Conducting a civil trial without legal representation. Post-judgment. Let's find out about some things that take place after you receive a judgment. Costs. After a judgment is given, the court will need to decide which party is entitled to costs and how much should be awarded. The court will ask parties to make submissions on the issue of costs. The successful party is entitled to costs. There are, however, exceptional situations where this does not apply, such as when the successful party has raised unnecessary issues, the successful party's conduct is unreasonable, the successful party has not discharged his duty to consider an amicable resolution, or the successful party has failed to comply with the court's orders or directions. The court will consider the relevant costs guidelines in the rules of court or practice directions. These guidelines apply for parties that are represented, and a discount will usually be applied for self-represented persons. Self-represented persons may wish to keep records of the time spent on the matter and provide evidence of the opportunity costs arising from the time spent. In addition to costs, the successful party is entitled to his disbursements, which covers court filing fees, reasonable printing expenses, reasonable experts' fees, and the reasonable transport expenses. You should have a list and proof of such disbursements ready. Enforcement. You are required to comply with any orders made against you in the court's judgment. If you do not comply, there are different ways that the other party can enforce the judgment against you, such as an examination of enforcement respondent, an enforcement order for the seizure and sale of property, an enforcement order for delivery or possession of property, an enforcement order for attachment of a debt, an enforcement order to do anything specified in the court order, or committal proceedings. You will need to consider which modes of enforcement are appropriate for your situation. Please refer to the SG Court's website for more information. Appeals. You may be able to file an appeal if you are not satisfied with the court's decision. You should check whether permission to appeal is required. You should also familiarize yourself with the relevant timelines for an appeal. Please refer to the SG Court's website for more information. Thank you for watching. We hope you find the information useful. Please refer to the rules of court, practice directions and other guides on the SG Court's website for more information.